How to copy paste on CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. In here, simply click on your video in the timeline. To copy, simply click on the video in the timeline, and after that, at the bottom, scroll to the left. Click on copy in here and it will be copied. Now what you can do is simply click on the first video and then click on split at the bottom, or do anything with the first video as well. And this is how to copy paste on CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.